Hello viewers, today in Lata's Art of Cooking we are going to prepare a Chinese recipe which is baby corn chili. So I've cut this baby corn, it is very tender baby corn which I got like this. And so before we go into the ingredients, I thought I'll just show you in the kitchen that I'm going to blanch this. For that I've kept water boiling and I'm going to put it into this and just blanch it for 5 minutes and then drain it and take it out. So I'll set the timer and I'll be back after 5 minutes. While our baby corn which we had blanched is getting cooled down, let's make a slurry for frying it. So for this, right now I've taken 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or the maida and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour. Let's see if this is sufficient or not, or else I'll be adding more. And then I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. While blanching, if I had added the salt, we don't need to add salt now. But since I didn't add while blanching, I'm adding it now. So slowly I'll add some water and make a thick slurry. So time to get your hands dirty. And let me mix it. Okay, I mixed it well. Now I'm going to add this blanched cornstarch, baby corn. Now let's see if this is sufficient or not. If it's sufficient, then this will be the measurement, else I might be adding it more. All our baby corn has to be fully coated. Only then it will be crispy when you are frying it. I think I need 1 more tablespoon of cornstarch and maida. So let me just add it. Okay, I've used now totally 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of maida. So now let's go to the kitchen and fry it. Now we are going to fry this. Actually my husband is helping me to fry it. So we'll be frying it in a double frying method. So first we'll fry it half, then take it out, and then again in an interval of 5 minutes we'll be again frying it. This is half fried now. I'm taking it out and then we'll be again frying it after 5 minutes. I mean, you don't have to let it cool down. You can just fry it after that, after 5 minutes. So this is the second lot. Okay, now this is in the half fried stage. Now I'll be frying it again and we'll be making it golden. Okay, now it's fried, fully fried, and it's crispy and crunchy also. So now let's take it out. We have finished off with the frying of our baby corn. Now it's time to prepare the gravy for it. So for that I've cut some 1 large capsicum into cubes and 1 large onion into cubes and 2 to 3 green chili. Then I have taken half a tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is freshly crushed. 1 teaspoon of peppercorn crushed, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and I don't have a chili sauce, so I've taken made a paste out of the Kashmiri chili, and this is not spicy, so that will be say 1.5 tablespoon of it. And then honey, 1 teaspoon I'll be using. If you don't have honey, you can use sugar instead. So now let's go and prepare the gravy for the chili baby corn. Okay, I'm back to my iron skillet which is well heated now. I'm going to add this chili garlic paste first so we can get rid of the raw smell. Just roast it slightly and then add the green chili. Give it a toss. And then herein goes the onion and the capsicum. flame should be high now, because that's the need of the Chinese food. You don't have to cook it, actually, you know. Just give it a toss in high flame. Just 2 to 3 minutes of stir fry will do. Okay, this should be sufficient now. Now let's start adding our other ingredients. I have this chili paste. You can use chili sauce instead. This is a paste made out of Kashmiri chili, not a spicy one. I've lowered the flame now. Sauce, soy sauce, first one was tomato. Vinegar. And lastly honey. You can use sugar instead. Give it a toss. Now back to high flame now. Now we will be adding say half teaspoon of salt again. There is salt in the baby corn which we have fried, and there is salt in the soy sauce, so be careful when you are adding the salt. Okay, now I am going to add the freshly crushed peppercorn and toss it again. Okay, now lower the flame, and I am going to add a slurry of, I made a slurry of the cornstarch, 1 tablespoon slurry I have made, which I will be adding to this for the thickening of the gravy. Add some more water. Now increase the flame and then start stirring it. Half a cup of water I have added. Now let this all get cooked and the slurry, sorry, the gravy. Okay, the gravy is thickened sufficiently. And now I'm going to add the crispy fried baby corn and then toss it. Switch off the flame, and that's it. What are we waiting for? Of course, the plating. So viewers, our crunchy, juicy baby corn chili is ready. So please do prepare this and let me know how it turned out for you. And those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell notification, so you'll keep getting my future videos also. So have a nice day. Bye bye.